Hi, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to enable and disable content restrictions in web search content on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and click the Screen Time. Then after that, in the screen time, scroll down again and click the content and privacy restrictions. Then after that, in this part, click the content restrictions. Then in the content restrictions, find the web search content, then click. Then after that, if you want to disable the web search content, then click the don't allow until there's a check mark on the side. And if you want to enable, just click the allow until there's also a check mark on the side. And that's it. We have successfully enabled and disabled content restrictions in web search content on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.